The Health Ministry is currently upgrading several wellness centers across the island to enhance service quality and patient care. Health officials are conducting significant renovations at the Gros-Islet Polyclinic to transform it into a 24-hour facility, and on Tuesday warned residents of potential service disruptions due to the ongoing work.
The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs informs the public of anticipated delays in the delivery of patient care in the urgent care section of the Gros-Islet Polyclinic today, September 16th, due to ongoing construction works. At present, in an effort to ensure the safety of clients and the delivery of healthcare services, the Ministry of Health has put measures in place such as the diversion of patient care to another room at the facility.
Health officials expect services to resume on September 17th.
Despite the delays, the Ministry of Health is committed to continue meeting the healthcare needs of its clients, and we ask for patience and understanding during this time. We are hopeful that all of the healthcare services in the urgent care section of the Gros-Islet Polyclinic will resume to normal as of Wednesday, September 17th, 2025. The Ministry of Health will continue to provide the community and by extension the public with updates.
Upon completion of the project, they anticipate the expanded facility will bolster emergency medical response in the north, minimize pressure on existing emergency departments, and significantly increase the availability of urgent care. Gina Philippi, HTS News Force.